In this video, I'll show you how to make an espresso with the Siemens eq6 plus s100. So the first step is to put on the coffee machine by clicking on this button on the bottom left of the coffee machine. That will turn the coffee machine on and then we can see Siemens on the screen. Oops, it just spilled some water. Now, what we'll do is we'll go ahead after it's done. Oh, 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 oh. Now the Siemens will do its thing, and after waiting for a little bit, we can actually go ahead and make some coffee. So right now, the Siemens coffee machine is cleaning, so we cannot make our coffee yet. And now all of these different coffees light up, and now the one on the complete left is the espresso machine. Now there are a few different things we can do. We can choose how much we want. We can choose how strong it is. So I will just do the double shot plus because that is the strongest that is existing. So I put my mug under it and then I'll click on start. And then it will actually go ahead and make my espresso machine, and it will be a double shot plus because that is the strongest setting there is, and we like our espressos nice and strong. So now it will do some beans pouring, and now, oh wow, that's amazing coffee. This is really strong coffee. This is so strong, I think you only need one per day. Well, so it's a double shot because it meals the bones twice, or I don't know the word. It makes the bones go twice. Look at that, we'll get even more espresso. It's a double shot, so we get 2 shots, of course. It makes sense. Now, I don't know the exact difference between the double shot plus and the double shot normal version, but I do know that the double shot plus is even stronger than the double shot normal version. So that's what we get. So now our espresso is done, so we'll get our mug. You can see it's really dark, it's really strong coffee. And we'll put our a little glass. Oh wait, I'll first do this. Put it under here. And now if you're done, we can just leave the coffee machine on. It will go off after some time, but you can also just turn on the off button. And now it will turn off. So that's how you make an espresso. Thanks for watching, subscribe.